Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak tartare at home. First, select a premium cut of beef, such as tenderloin or sirloin, ensuring it's incredibly fresh. Carefully trim away any fat or gristle, then chill the meat thoroughly in your freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This makes it much easier to achieve a precise, fine dice, which is crucial for the perfect texture. Next, let's assemble the classic flavor profile. You'll need finely minced shallots, capers, and cornichons for that essential tang and crunch. Freshly chopped parsley and chives add brightness. Don't forget a good quality Dijon mustard, a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce, and a touch of your favorite hot sauce to awaken the palate. These elements create a harmonious balance. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a chilled bowl, gently combine your diced beef with all the prepared ingredients. Mix carefully to avoid bruising the meat. Just before serving, create a small well in the center and add a fresh egg yolk. This adds a luxurious creaminess. Finally, season generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper, tasting as you go. For the best experience, serve your steak tartare immediately after mixing. The freshness is key. It pairs wonderfully with thinly sliced, toasted baguette or crispy potato chips, offering a delightful textural contrast. You can also garnish with a few extra capers, a fresh parsley sprig, or even a delicate quail egg yolk on top for an elegant presentation. Enjoy this culinary classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.